So today we are removing the oil from the jet ski. Doing all the preparation for summers. There you go. Yesterday we did the other one. And today we're doing this. So after this we're going to remove the oil filter. Okay, now we're done about pumping the oil out. So we're going to turn it off. And we're going to remove or change the oil filters. But first we need to put this down so it will catch any drips from the oil filter. Oops. I cannot see. Okay. That there. Okay. That's good. I think I just need one. And we're going to use this wrench to remove the oil filter. Let me do something. I cannot see anything. Hold on. It's almost there. Okay. Oops. Okay. It's a little hard. Oops. It's turning. Okay. One. Okay. Okay, it's loose now. Yes. Almost there. Okay. Here we go. It's out. Okay, guys, here we're going to put the new filter, and this knife is hard to open. Okay, that's a little bit hard, but okay. New filter. Okay. Oops. I'm having a hard time here. So we're going to put an oil around the circle, whatever you call that. Dip your finger, and so it will have a good seal. Then, oops, close this one so it will not spill jet ski. And we're going to put the new filter on, but we're just going to put it like a hand tie. Oops, I cannot see. Hold on tight. Okay. 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 It's in. It's in. New filters in. Okay, now we're going to put oil in the jet ski. This jet ski holds 4 quarts of oil, and we're going to use 3, and then check. We're going to check after putting the 3. Oops. So we're pouring it slowly so it will not overflow. Oh, mosquito, stay away. Oh. Okay, that's one. So this is our third oil. After this, we're going to change, we're going to check the oil if needed another one. Okay, that's the last of my third one. And so I'm going to run the jet ski to let the oil circulates, and then turn it off and check this one again, and then run it later. We'll see if it will start. This is the first time we're going to start it for this year. The feet. Now it's time to check again. So this one is between of minimum and maximum. So we're going to add a little bit more. Okay, now it's done, and we're going to put the cover on. Now we're going to put the cover back on. And screw it. It's on. Okay, now we're ready for summer. Spark plugs are changed, oil filters and oil are changed. So now we're ready to roll. Tomorrow, it's a day to test it. Ready? Okay guys, thanks for watching.